Hi everyone, welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and in this video I'm going to share with you all a very simple recipe, the tofu and spinach instant soup. So you don't have to cook it, all you need is a bowl, make the recipe and enjoy it. So let's check the recipe. To make the soup, first I'm going to make a flavorful base. So in a big bowl I will take one finely chopped green chili, and this is going to add the heat to your soup. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger for aroma. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce just to add a little bit of desi touch. Next, half a tablespoon of olive oil. Here I am using the extra virgin olive oil. Just make sure to avoid the refined oil. Then half a teaspoon salt or salt to taste straight into the bowl. Then pinch of sugar. The sugar is going to balance all the flavors and heat. Mix the spices nicely. And next, a few dice of tofu, around 1/3 cup. Here I am using the extra foam tofu, and that's really great for soup, especially if you are making an instant soup. And now I will mix all the ingredients gently. Now to this, I will add 1 cup of boiling vegetable stock and around half a cup of hot water. Give it a mix. To make the instant soup, make sure that the liquids are hot enough. And on the top, I will add 1 cup of baby spinach finely shredded. The hot water will cook the spinach a little, so no need to boil the soup. As I mentioned earlier, instant soup requires no cooking, but while making with meat or chicken, prepare the soup on the stove in order to cook the meat till perfection. So the soup is ready. I'll just cover it and let it to sit for a minute or two. So the soup is actually ready, and finally I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now I will serve it in a bowl and sprinkle some black pepper powder. Just add as much as you want. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.